Hi, welcome to Ace Instruments. Today we are introducing the Flameproof Telephone. This has been engineered to withstand the toughest of conditions while ensuring seamless connectivity in critical environments. Let's take a closer look at what is it that sets this device apart. For starters, it's enclosed in a weatherproof IP65 enclosure, and it is built to endure extreme conditions and ensure reliable performance even in the harshest of environments. Certified by CIMFR, the Flameproof telephone is approved for use in Zone 1 and Zone 2 hazardous areas and gas groups 2A and 2B. This helps to provide peace of mind in volatile surroundings. The body is crafted from durable cast alloy aluminum LM6 material and is engineered to withstand impact and corrosion, ensuring longevity in demanding industrial settings. The handset here, it is an ABS glass field material and offers superior durability and resistance to wear and tear. It's coupled with a stainless steel flexible cord and provides reliability and flexibility for uninterrupted communication. To combat moisture and ensure consistent performance, the electronics inside are coated with lacquer, safeguarding against corrosion and prolonging the lifespan of this device. Whether it is in the oil and gas industry, in a chemical processing plant, or any hazardous environment, you can trust the Flameproof telephone to keep your lines of communication open, reliably, and safely. For unparalleled reliability in hazardous environment, choose the Flameproof telephone. Contact us today to know more. You can drop us an email at sales@acefirst.com or contact us on WhatsApp through the number given below. We look forward to hearing from you and hopefully matching you with your ideal Flameproof instrumentation solution.